Where's my birdie? Hi, baby. Daddy's coming home. Just wait right there, okay? I'm sorry I forgot about you. That was my fault. Daddy went to the bank. I usually bring you with me. Stay right there, okay, honey? My little birdie. You're such a good bird. Yeah, that's my baby. Oh my goodness. Did you just fly to the microphone? I hear you. Daddy is about 5 minutes away. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. But now I wish you would have stayed on your little playhouse. Hi, baby. Daddy's coming, okay? Yeah, I'm like 2 minutes away, dude. Yeah, you can hear me in the camera, huh? Okay, now you got me worried because I wish you would have stayed on that thing. I'm just. Come here, baby. Yes, come to daddy. I want to see you on the camera. I can hear you. I can hear you, baby. I won't ever forget you like this again. I I know it was my fault. I totally forgot you. Oh wait, you just pushed the camera. Baby, you're so funny. You moved the camera. There you are. I see you. Hi, my little character. Yes. You think you think daddy's in the camera. Yeah. Okay, please do me a favor. Do not go poopies on the remote, okay? Yes, knock on there. That's where daddy's at. I'm in there. This is the funniest and cutest thing ever. I can't I can't believe I forgot you. I I won't do it again, even though this is hilarious. I will try my best not to do this again. Okay, Daddy's gonna be coming in the door in about 30 seconds, okay? Okay, big boy. My big bird. You're such a good birdie. I love it. Oh, please do not chew Daddy's remote. That is not a good idea. All right, Daddy's home. Daddy is home. I'm gonna be coming through that door right now. You hear Daddy? Yeah, Daddy's home. Yes, my baby. Look at this. There's your daddy. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. What a good bird. Yes, I love you so much. Yes, I love you so much.